Good morning. An excellent campsite. Despite not getting a swim, I was not disturbed or found, and so slept soundly as a result. I guess this is what you call an Omani truck stop. I'm in a servo. I've got a couple of egg and cheese parathas, big mug of karak chai. This is fast becoming my favourite Omani breakfast. It should feel me most of the way there. I don't know what that was about. They just waved everybody through. I thought I was going to get my brand new visa paperwork out. Van's just gone by and thrown water on me. At least I assume it's water. Let's hope so. And I don't know if it was meant to be an act of aggression or if they were trying to refresh me. In any case, it's illegal in Oman to flip somebody off, so for better or worse, they didn't get a response. A very wide floodplain. I've just come across the old road here, and the new road, I guess, makes the wadi passable in flood. Very different lunch break today, but the same endless tub of dates. That was a very refreshing surprise. I even got a little wash and some laundry in, so I feel clean for the next 20 minutes until I soak my clothes in sweat again. This can almost be WA with all these campers. It's been a while since I was in Western Australia and I haven't really cycled there, but this is all feeling very familiar. I love it, it's absolutely beautiful. What a relief. Every other shop has been closed. It's not dates for dinner. G'day guys. Shopkeeper is watching my YouTube right now. Nice. This looks very much like my home for the night. The beach is pebbles, which is not ideal for camping, but I've got this little shelter with benches, friendly neighbours, set for a nice night, I think. Hummus. Veggies. It's going to take me forever if I do it with a camera. A choice of 3 benches in there, but I'm still sitting on the ground so I can benefit from the light and see what I'm eating, which today is canned hummus and canned veggies and halva, just to balance things out.